All I gotta say, mother truckers, is Swift gets made fun of a lot, picked up on a lot, bullied a lot, and all I have to say is, truck drivers, new ones out there, they're just trying to find a job. Yes, Swift is extremely big, and so when accidents do happen, you're probably going to see, if not more, with Swift trailers on the road. Now, here's the thing about this. You know, I had about 50 subscribers send me this photograph and say, Swift is at it once again, and I start looking really close, right? And I go, wait a minute, it's a Swift trailer, but the tractor looks like it's an owner-operator. So, mother truckers, comment down below, what are your thoughts about this? You know, this truck driver, I don't know how he did it. This is like genius move on its own level. Followed his GPS into a park, drove through the park, and at the end got stuck. I mean, without hitting anything, I don't know. Like, my heart would have been going out of my chest. I've moved furniture my whole life, and going into residential areas scares me to this day. So if you see your trucker GPS or your phone Google Map GPS taking you down a park road, you see kids bicycling on that little street, maybe not go. But to blame this one on Swift, I gotta say, I gotta play inspector on this. It wasn't a Swift driver. So, mother truckers, in general, please pay attention. Get yourself a trucker GPS. Get yourself an Atlas. Definitely pre-trip plan. And pay attention if your GPS, even if it reroutes you, tells you to go into the water, don't just start going swimming. That's all I'm trying to say. But mother truckers, this one wasn't a Swift thing. It was a trucker thing. Mother truckers, comment down below.